So I've been from 2020. I never faced any kind of racism, anything like that. I was very happy. But from last few months, let's say 3 to 4 months earlier, this thing started. I mean, people are saying, why you're coming from your country?
On 100%, only 1% customer is are rude. That's it.
I took a electric bicycle. So one of working in Wolt, I think he's Croatian or something. He took my batteries. It's maybe night 10 o'clock something. I don't saw this person before. He come. I think he's following me from. I think half an hour. I think he's following me. And while I am delivering food, he stole my battery and he ran away.
Few teenage guys, they are wantedly, if I'm driving, they come wanted in front of me and they scare. I was scared that I will hit them, but they won't come. Just come and they go. I'll be scared. I will stop my scooter while driving. Whenever I appear somewhere, they just see and they go away. I was thinking, I'm a human being. It's just a skin color change. That's it. Some people do like that. Okay, it's up to them. We can't say nothing for them. So
some people, while they are drinking, when we are going for deliver food, some of them say, "I don't give you cash, I don't give you food," something.
When we go in tram, when we go in bus, if we are sitting on a seat also, no one comes around. We feel bad for that. They ask, "Where are you from?" I say, "I'm from India." They feel happy, and some people will give tips also for us, like respecting there are other nations. They're working hard.
It's my personal experience. Trust me, I never seen the safer city like Zagreb. Trust me. In middle of the night, into 12 o'clock, if I work peacefully and safely, it's really imaginable for another countries. You know how this another world is working. So it's really safe.